Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Simply Natural Black Life. So guys, as you can tell from the title, we are just going to get into it. Guys, he just keeps on doing this. He just keeps doing it, and I am accepting of it, and I'm grateful and I'm thankful, and I just want to continue to share with you guys. And I have a disclaimer: in no way or no terms, no fashion am I trying to brag or anything, or that I have like so much money or anything like that. It's just that when he blesses me, guys, I like to share it with you. So I just wanted to get that out so you guys will understand. So like you guys remember, yesterday I mentioned to you all that I was going to go and leave and go do something. And I'm so glad I did. But before we get started, I would like for you all to like, comment, share, subscribe. If you already subscribed, hit that notification bell so that way you are always notified when I upload a video. And then also, guys, today is a great day. Today is a beautiful day. Today is a marvelous day. So, guys, yesterday I ended the video really quick and bluntly because my daughter, she's a little over the top like I am a little bit, but she's a little bit more over the top. So we would have had a video probably for 2 hours. So I had to cut it short because I actually wanted to show you guys the actual footage of that Christmas scene. And then also too, tomorrow's video, guys, I am going to show you guys where I placed those shelves. It is absolutely amazing. It turned out beautiful. And I'm so very grateful for that. And yeah, grateful for that. My daughter stopped by to have dinner with us yesterday. So that was perfect. And guys, today's video, I just want to share with you some amazing things that the Father put in my hand yesterday. I cannot believe this. And my day yesterday was basically kind of like, I had a little bit, I'm going to say like an hour and a half of some free time where I actually was led to go back to one of those stores yesterday. And I'm so glad I was led to go there because it was for a reason and a purpose. And I'm going to share the reason and the purpose for y'all. So y'all, as y'all know, I've been telling you guys that I'm trying to get my home as much as eco-friendly as possible. A lot of you guys might not understand that. A lot of you guys might think that is over the top. Just do some research before you get upset with people who really want to get their homes as much eco-friendly as possible. Do some research and just do some own mind searching too in your hearts, and don't get upset with people who are trying to do that, because when you're in a space, you want that space to be as much as environmentally friendly for you, for your breathing, for your O2, all that stuff, everything from your skin on down to everything, y'all, eco-friendly. So yeah. So with that being said, I think I explained to you guys that one of my rugs for sure is 100% wool. The other one is a mixture. So I told you guys that I was looking for another rug because basically the rug that I do have in the front room is that mixture. And I'm probably going to be selling it and parting with that. So with that being said, without further ado, y'all, I found the rug yesterday that was $249. And the blessing was yesterday they were doing 75% off on furniture, rugs, everything that was in the back. And I think I explained to y'all before, this place is different from the other place that I go further out to. Their furniture is just cheaper, period. This one here, this guy is really, I'm not going to say, I don't really want to say this, but he's really like a lot greedy. And he'll do the sales, I guess, like when it's holiday time or something like that. So without further ado, y'all, I can't lift this up because it's so super heavy, but I'm going to do the best that I can. Guys, I found a $250 rug and I got it for $62.50. Okay? So I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to try to show you guys the sticker without having to pick it all the way up. So, oh my God, y'all, this is super heavy. And it is by, hopefully you guys can see this. It is by Magnolia Home, and this is her Heart and Hand collection. And here is the actual sticker, and it has the price right here, $249. So I'm going to try to bring you guys down so you can see that. So right here, it is $249, and that is what it looks like right here. It is actually a 5 by what is that? 5. It's a 7 by 10. Here is a 7 by 10, and it has these tassels. And guys, this is where is it at? This is actually right here. It is 95% wool, and the other part is cotton. So yeah, that's why I got that, and I think it's a very good score. And yeah, I'm just gonna try to show you the pattern, and I'm trying to figure out if I should put it in the living room or in the back room, switch out rugs until I can get another one for the living room. I actually want to put it in the living room and then put the one that's in the living room in the family room. I just think I should. So if you guys can see, I'm trying to show you best as I can. This rug is massive. It is massive. It's bigger than the one in the front room. So, okay, I got that. Like I said, it was regular $250, and I got it for a $62.50. Okay. The next thing that I found, guys, now you tell me if this is not amazing. Y'all know I've been wanting to do something in the back, in the kitchen on the back wall. I came up with, I'm going to get a can of Repost Gray for the simple fact that the walls, like behind me and all the walls are Repost Gray. And then in the family room and in the office is Mindful Gray. So I'm going to get a small can of the Mindful Gray and a small can of the Repost Gray. Just because I need to fill in some things anyway. So anyway, I got this yesterday for $3. This is Cata Marbella, and it's wall towel, and you can take off the backing. So basically, it's a peel and stick. Let me just see if I can get it out, or I can show you back of it. I can peel and stick it. So it is marble, just like the countertop. That is like amazing to me. So like I said, this was $3. So it actually has where you can cut it. So I will be cutting like 4 of these. That way I can take a strip across. And my daughter was saying, maybe, she said, Mom, maybe you should put it in the center. So once I paint the back wall that color, I'm going to lay these strips across. Or even if I put them across there now and then paint later, that's what I might do. It's still, hopefully it can go across. Even if it goes, like if it leaves room on this side and that side, it doesn't matter. I just wanted it to be in the center where you can see. I thought that was really a good buy. Like I said, I don't know how, I don't know how much this runs, but this is the brand. And you guys, if you want to Google it or something, maybe you can get back with me and let me know. But that's what it looks like. And, it folded in half. I absolutely love this. And I can't believe I found this. I just can't believe I found this. So $3 for this. I also got this beautiful piece right here, guys. This is absolutely amazing to me. Look at this sculpture. Guys, this was originally $20. If you guys can see right here, $20. And it is by Threshold. This is their Studio McGee. Guys, I do not know where I'm going to place this yet. I'm thinking in the bedroom, on that console, underneath that that beautiful mirror, or I don't know, y'all. This is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. This cost $6. $6. Originally, like I said, I just showed y'all, this was originally $20. So I got this. Last but and I got a 6-pack pack of Hanes t-shirts, all white, for a gift for someone. So I got that as well. And then, guys, I found this Opal House black and white rug. I am not sure. It doesn't say what is the price, but it is 24 inches by 36 inches. And it is the Opal House. It is 54% cotton, 40% wool. So, and this is what it looks like. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. So actually, this is the front of it, and it has the little tassels on the side. So I'm probably going to put this by the back door, and I'm able to take that natural fiber mat and put it back outside when you come in through the back door. So this is the brand. It's Opal. Like I said, it's by the Opal House. Yeah, Opal House. But this is another name on here as well. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys that. It's by Good Weave. Certified rugs. So I thought that was absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at this. Just look at the weaving of it, and then it has the natural fibers. So I am in love with that. So guys, that is all I have to show you. And like I said, in tomorrow's video, I will be coming back to show you guys probably where I put the rug. Oh, and I made some changes in the kitchen as well. I took out the clock, put the clock in the family room. It looks really nice. My daughter was able to take that hook thing that was by the washing machine. She wanted it back because she was the one who gave us that for a housewarming. So she took that and she was able to use it. So that was a blessing. And then what else? The shelf in the office. So yeah, guys, I will see you guys in another video. I'm going to try to put this stuff back where you guys can see. And then I'm going to close out this video. Guys, it was nice seeing you guys today. And remember, love yourself so that you will love others. And this world will be a much better place. And also, too, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share the channel with everybody you know. So let me go ahead and try to pull this big old rug back over here. And then I can give y'all probably a better look at it. So hold the line, please. Okay? So guys, that is everything. Let's not rock. Let's not rock. So this is my gifts to myself and to my home. This is absolutely beautiful. And if you want to see it again, guys, this is the name of it. Absolutely beautiful. And you see here where it says wool and cotton. So yeah, guys, that's going to do it for me. I will see you. Can you guys see me? I will see you in another video really, really soon. Bye, guys. Love you all so much.